All right, guys. We got that clean as best I can without having little scrub brushes. Come on, hands, work. Got that nice and clean inside, ready to go. Clean the crusties off the coolant port there. Got the new gasket. Fits nice and neat. Clean some of the crusties off this guy. Gasket material. That was pretty simple. Wasn't all dirty, nasty. Cool parts. Got some guide pins. Maybe. Oop. Come on, gasket. Get on there. Boom. Boom, boom. Good on there. And some bolts off. They're a little dirty. Cool, get that one started. That was nice and started. Anyways, guys, you get the point of that. We'll get those all nice and tightened down. We'll come over here. Oop, I left my light on. Get it bolted up front there. That way I can start plugging in the harness, coolant hoses, and I can work on, I gotta find an O-ring for the 9th injector. Where did I put that guy? Which is this guy right here. So I'll find a new O-ring, get that all cleaned up too. Ooh. Then I caught the box. And yeah, all right, guys. Well, that's my quick little update there. I'll update you once I get this all bolted up. Some of the harness, like I said, hoses, vacuum hoses all hooked up to it. And we'll go from there. All right, guys.